Louisiana chicken. Since 1972, it's Popeyes. Wow. We got mac and cheese. Got the biscuit. And the chicken. We haven't had Popeyes for, man, at least 8 months. 6 months, 8 months. Let's see how it is. It's in my top 3, but it's not like Gus's. This is Louisiana fried chicken. McConn's barbecue. Mac and cheese. Louisiana fried chicken. Popeye. Let's try the biscuit.
Super flavorful and delicious, and full of calories. Ideal for a chilly day like today. It's like a warm coat for the body and soul. The spice is what gives flavor to the whole dish. The loco reminds me of flavors of my childhood. It gives me a feeling of connection to my country.
Delicious, but they're undercooked. They were usually like this tall and like really crusty on top and big. These look like they haven't been baked, but the bread tastes like sourdough, kind of. They got butter in there. I mean, it's still good. Got the fried chicken and the mac and cheese. Let's try the mac and cheese.
Blizzard treats only in the DQ app. That someone could be you, but only for a limited time. They'll go free any size Blizzard treats. Get it now in the DQ app. DQ, that tastes good. Why is special K so special?
Yep. It's pretty good.
I see, it's delicious. Oh, wait, can you go back to the berries? Special K, special for a reason. So many choices.
Kind of tastes homemade. That's good. Yeah, the mac and cheese is good. When you get it in the large instead of a little small, I think it's a little better. It just melts. I love mac and cheese. Let's try this crunchy fried chicken.
Whether it's a last second bake sale, Taco Tuesday, or a meal for your future in-laws, it's gonna be great. With McCormick Gunners,
I got spicy.
it's gonna be great.
It's spicy, all right.
There are so many Tina Feys I could be. So I hired body doubles. $30,000 Tina in a boutique hotel. Or 30,000 steps Tina at a mountain cabin. Rain.com and booking.com. Yeah.
Muy bueno.
Who's winning? We are, Mike. We are.
Tear into it. A new adventure.
Take a bite of this.
It's all out.
This is a thigh.
The crunch of nature.
I think this is a thigh.
Life happens.
I'm gonna take a piece right there.
In Buenos Aires, happiness is always
accompanied with a large portion of beef. But most Argentines are also passionately devoted to a sugary confection best enjoyed with an afternoon coffee break. The alfajor, cookie sandwich filled with dulce de leche. So creamy, so good.
It's delicious and amazing.
That is good chicken.
The foods that when we come to Argentina we must have.
It's not the best.
The greatest thing that could ever happen to you.
It's pretty dang spicy though.
Juan Pablo Repeto is the owner and master baker of Juan Pablo Repeto Cafe in the Soho section of Palermo, a charming stretch of low-rise buildings lined with cafes and boutiques. Juan Pablo trained as a visual artist and opened his cafe as a way to get creative with cherished family recipes like his grandmother's alfajores. My grandmother Betty
Biscuit.
was a crucial force in my life. She introduced me to the world of cooking and aromas. Each and every batch is a testament to homemade goodness, starting with the dough. You have to use your hands. If you don't get dirty, then that's not cooking. Juan Pablo uses ultra
Mac and cheese.
and powdered sugar. The cornstarch gives the cookie its soft homely consistency, similar to what you'd see with a shortbread. One by one, the wet ingredients are introduced.
Drumstick.
Vanilla essence. It's super aromatic, and it gives a great perfume. Cognac,
That's gonna be good.
butter, and eggs are added to the
Look at
mix.
a drumstick.
It's very important to add the eggs slowly. You don't want the dough to get too liquidy. It should be a dry dough. Juan Pablo's grandmother always used lemon peel in her alfajores, adding an acidic high note to counterbalance the sweet depths of the shortbread and the caramel filling. I'll put it in the fridge like this for an hour to conserve its freshness. Here's where we tell the dough, behave yourself so you come out well. Once cooled, the dough is rolled out, cut into circles, and then baked for 12 minutes until the cookies are firm and golden. Next, Juan Pablo works on what makes his alfajores sing with the melody of Buenos Aires, dulce de leche. Thick,
Popeyes fried chicken.
dense with caramel notes, dulce de leche is found in ice cream birthday cakes.
I give it a 7.5,
The simplest of sauces, it has 2 ingredients.
like a B minus.
This is very
It's okay.
Another one of my
Kind of expensive. $40
so the dulce de
for a 12 piece.
doesn't get stuck to
Biscuits are good.
the ingredients boil for 2 hours, which evaporates the water in the milk and scorches the sugar.
Mac and cheese are pretty good.
Once cooled, it thickens and makes for a luscious center for the cookie sandwich.
Got a 12-piece meal for like $40.
I just can't resist the temptation.
Kind of expensive.
Melt in your mouth. So it's great. It's delicious.
There's a little love in these cookies. They're not
It's right down the street.
If anyone is sad, they eat my dulce de leche and they become happy. I believe that. And for me,
Haven't been there like 8 months at least. So that's my review of Popeyes. A B minus, 7.5.
macaron. The alfajor has a weight to it.
You all take care now. Have some chicken from Louisiana. They call it barbecue.
It's food that's meant to be shared. Meals are meant to be lingered over with friends and family. It's Latin, it's traditional, and it's distinctly Buenos Aires.
Bye.